Hello, welcome to the second edition of Virtual Beings World 2020.
So now you can see scan a QR code and you can see the logo mark of VibeShare. So and in the first top area and arrow to access the acceleration later and hold the logo mark. You can see the graph and during the holding your accelerator can be sent to Yusuke. He is director today. He can feel the buzzer clapping and comment. So when you shake the mobile phone with logo mark, and the buzzer clap is going to up. Okay, let's try to see the real time live like that.
If you look at the live screen in Zoom or those who are watching on YouTube, you will see the little mountains. Those are created by people who send their emotions with VibeShare. And that's how you can participate with us in this event and transmit to us your thoughts and how you're feeling.
So whichever fast forward is the open competition, and this is really open. So we find 2 minute video from all over the world, and this is there is no limitation. Just you can talk about introduction. You can give your message for the COVID world, but all made by virtual beings. So this is a virtual model agency entrance. So what is
So, Sharon Wong is the creator behind Jen, the agency, and she's the cute little panda next to me on my left side. So I'm she's happy. So she's an award-winning fashion photographer with 10 years of experience under her belt. So we're really happy to have her today present to us. And what?
So let's to see the closer.
Hello, everyone. So once again, I'm Mila, and I'm a virtual intern at Gruyere Studio Lab, and I'm a master's degree student majoring in anthropology. My virtual being researcher persona works and lives only in the virtual space. In a way, being a virtual intern at Gruyere Studio Lab means that I discovered a new way to communicate with people without having access to physical presence. For me, virtual means an existence that is deeply rooted in human culture. And in a time when we can become whoever we want to be, our choices reflect who we are.
My name is Kaspar, and I believe that over the next decade, online communication will be increasingly dominated by virtual worlds. Like we've seen with games like Roblox and Fortnite, they've perfectly illustrated that there's a new generation of native technology users growing up, and they're spending more time in virtual worlds than on traditional social media and entertainment platforms. On top of that, COVID has demonstrated to us all this year that virtual meetings can be productive and you can actually create virtual events and conferences very successfully online.
So next up is Marco Demiros from the Venture Reality Fund.
I'm going to share this picture from Fable. As you know, Fable has been creating very compelling stories and virtual beings. Fables tells us how you can create a virtual being using different components of AI, from the eye motion to lip motion to make sure that speech is believable, and even creating a soul and heart of the virtual being, reflecting sentiments and emotions of that persona.
A little bit of background on me. Mila had mentioned I previously had a company called Secret Location that I co-founded in 2009, and we were honored with a bunch of awards, most notably the first Emmy for a virtual reality project. And since then, I've started a new company called Transitional Forms and have built a small but incredible team of artists, strategists, and engineers. And our company is based on the notion that storytelling is one of humanity's most powerful tools, and that artificial intelligence is poised to be the same. And we believe that the combination of these two will be key to unlocking our evolution as a species, allowing humans to understand what it means to be machine and machines what it means to be human.
So as Mila was introducing, my name is Yingzi. I'm working actually in Ubisoft video game company, and I'm in the strategic innovation lab. So I'm happy to introduce Virtuals to you guys that I co-founded with Alvaro. And so it is a collective of industrial professionals, not only in virtual beings industry, but also in virtual productions. So we are here to explore the most optimize, let's say, pipeline of virtual production, because it's kind of like the very early stage of this industry. And then we want to talk with everybody. We want to explore what is the the best technical pipeline that we can have, and then what is the future of virtual production and virtual beings.
My name is Sigrid Pan. I'm a lecturer at Goldsmiths, University of London, which basically means what I do is I do teaching and research in VR. So in terms of teaching, I have an online specialization with Coursera, launched in September 2017. Now we have about 15,000 learners globally. We also ran a master degree at Goldsmiths in London on virtual and augmented reality. So we have lots of teaching going on here. But at the same time, in terms of research, I am the co-head of our CVR lab, where basically we investigate research questions and applications where we can use VR as a social, empathic, and embodied medium. And that's probably basically why I'm invited to give a talk in this session, because my work is very much about understanding how social interaction work in VR.
And last year, I have developed a new system for the live entertainment in the optical fiber speed, but 700 kilometers, no, 7,000 kilometers between Brisbane to Tokyo. And it also have a new challenge to share the emotions, not like a comment, like today. And this is the reality of. So Gray has a subsidiary, Ronexray Live Entertainment, WFLA Inc., and he leads the three teams, one for platform, one for XR Entertainment team, and one for reverse their laboratories. We are there. And the platform team is working to develop a smartphone app reality. This is the avatar broadcasting platform. And also he leads various users coming in after the COVID. So explosionary success we are, and also here is virtual gifting and getting new costume and live play, live games together, collaboration and gameplay in smartphone. Hi, next speaker, Wolf 3D. Who thinks this is best? Wolf 3D, Wolf 3D, Wolf 3D.
Virtual capacity from Wolf 3D and with their avatar technology. Come on, everyone, vote, and you can also comment on YouTube. It will
comment to Wolf 3D. Comment, please. So this year, this edition of Virtual Being World has, I can say, successfully finished. I think very successfully finished. I think. So even if we have facing to the very serious condition in the COVID, but the new human era is coming. So let's go into the next level, and for SIGGRAPH 2021 or SIGGRAPH Asia 2021 Tokyo. So we have the future. We have tomorrow. So we can see again in SIGGRAPH 2021 or in Tokyo for the next level. So we are living. So please join to the collaborators and organizers. So that's very fun. So to organize such as a great event in the virtual new technology like Mozilla Hubs, OBS, 3D graphics, so and also the very various players can be joined. Not only investors, not only engineers, not only startup company, not only students. So also the various creators from all over the world. This is really collaboration between artists, creators, engineers, researchers, and also something not named today, but it will be the new human being. So this is really a good challenge in SIGGRAPH because this is not only computer graphics but also interactive techniques and mixing culture between art and engineering.